Hey guys, just want to show up the top here, the top view of it. Hey Linky, say hello to the camera.
Hello.
Downstairs is where I've been taking the videos of, where the rocks are falling down. And I can't see that yet, but we'll get there. But up here, just show you, there's the chair. Here's the road just here. So Lincoln, come here please. This is the hut I was talking about, it's almost falling in. All the trees, they're all gone in. That's awesome. Come here, Linky. Come on, we got a little track down here. Come on. Watch out for the sticks and that, Bobby. Don't poke yourself with the stick. Watch out. Those sticks will poke you. Right, this is it down here now. So let's have a look around here. Try and get out of the sun a bit. Please. Alright, there it is up there. Here's the whole tree. The whole coast is like this. Yeah, anyway. This is where all the money pots have been coming. Come through here, Lincoln, before you get wet. Come around here. Now, if you look at my videos from before, these rocks weren't here. These rocks are the original brick wall I put in here many years ago. And they're slowly dropping out now. The other night I was here, I was actually watching them drop out. Now let's just have a look, see if there's any coins washed off. And this is what's been happening. I've been coming down here with the metal detector and I've just been finding coins on the surface. So just a quick look here. See if we can find something, and I have. Oh, almost. Looked like an old coin sitting there then. But a few folk have already walked along here this morning, so if they're on the ball they would have seen it. But when I start metal detecting, they seem to be everywhere. So not everyone picks them up in the morning. And I suppose not everyone's looking at the ground either. But I'll keep on walking here long enough. I will spot them. Well, I've got my detector in the car anyway, so I might just whip up and go get it. Because we've lost a little bit more sand here. And when we lose the sand, I'm able to get a little bit deeper. Well, that's that whole coast. That's that bit I showed you on the other video, where all that sand's been cut out from here. Well, all that sand on the point here never used to be there. So all the sand that used to be here is now all pushed around there, and the water can't get to the sand dunes there now. And here now, even on low tide, the water's right up here. So obviously when it gets high tide, the water's way up here. waves up here. So this ain't gonna last long, all this. And we've got a week of lowish high tides, so it won't be till next Monday it'll start really chewing into it again. And then next Monday I'll start hardcore detecting again. So there it is there, devastation. And look at all those trees piled down there. That you should be able to walk straight through. So all that there should be just sand, but it's trees from all here, all just falling in. That's awesome. Okay guys, say bye bye Linky.
Bye bye, bye bye Linky.
No, see you guys. See you everyone.